Hi, this is Kay from C&K Review and Blog. So today we are going to review, it's called Hair Growth Biotin. And it's 100% natural formula. It's a sesame oil complex for strong, thick, full hair. So on the back, the ingredients are castor oil, peppermint oil, biotin, boba oil, rosemary oil, tea tree oil, olive oil, ginger oil, and argan oil, vitamin E oil. These are the ingredients that I got, or these are the ingredients that are inside here. So this is the second time I have tried this, because if you see here, there are hairs, or it's like a gap. So this is the second day that I have tried it. So I'm gonna show you how I put it. Okay, on the directions here, it says 2 to 5 drops directly into scalp, and then massage for 1 or 2 minutes. So, gosh, it's only this little bit. So I'll just put it to the hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 6, just in case. But I'll put it here and I'll massage it. So this is the second day. Yesterday night I put it. It says clean dry hair. So yesterday I cleaned my hair and I put this on. I let it dry. It has to be dry hair. So then today in the morning I would do it again. So we're gonna see the results. I'm gonna try to do it. It says it's good to do it twice daily. So yesterday was the first day, today's the second day. So we're gonna keep on doing it for a week, and I'm gonna see like how it looks like. I don't know if I should give it a week. I should probably give it 14 days, right? 15 days to see the difference with it. It smells good because it's essential oils. So I like the smell of it. So I'll put it like that, and then I'll go on the other side. The other side is almost like the same. But I think this side is like worst. So we're gonna put it again. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just in case. And then we're gonna massage it. I'm gonna use the other hand. Just massage it around that area. And then I will get the comb later. Once I finish massaging it, I'll get the comb and even my hair out. And then that's it. Your hair, last night when I was in bed, it didn't smell at all. So it's good, and I woke up without smelling. So my hair really, like, I do have dandruff. But since you can't tell, because since I washed it yesterday. But I really do have dandruff a lot. So I would wash my hair like 3 times. Like one day yes, one day no, like that. You see how I have it, but not like worse like the other side. So I'm gonna grab my comb, and I'm just gonna comb it. And that's it. So if you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. I also will have another update on the 14 days, so I will come back as a second part. Thank you.